to step up. You're a couple together, raising your children together. Why are you not saying, I got this, I got a kiss tonight? Right now, it's like you're opposing teams. We've got a lot of work ahead
You
of us.
okay?
Let's make a real connection with your children. It's wonderful to see a parent turning around this situation. Look at me right now. Esther. That is what I am talking about.
Thank you for dragging me through this